Hello guys, so I'm back with another video where I explain what should be the exit strategy while investing in a bull cycle. So I'll just show you the definition of the exit strategy. So an exit strategy is a contingency plan that is executed by an investor, trader, venture capitalist or business owner to liquidate a position in a financial asset or dispose of tangible business assets once predetermined criteria for either has been met or exceeded. So I'll just show you the typical psychology of a market cycle through this graph so that you understand that why it is important to have an exit strategy planned, because ultimately we want to gain profits and we do not want to lose already made profits. So I'll just show you the typical bull cycle charts. So in any bull cycle, whether it is stocks or crypto, generally it moves in a parabola. So you can see initially there's disbelief, then there's hope, then there's optimism. At this point, we have started seeing that our portfolio is increasing and we feel like maybe I should have invested more so I could have gained more profits. Then you see that the point comes where you started believing it and you think that it's time to get fully invested and you try to put more money in. Now, you can see that the parabola is getting vertical. It is like in a very short duration of time, it is moving very quickly. So just see that now there is still, and the highest point or the peak is euphoria. You are like, here it is written, I'm going to buy a Lambo. So at this point, we have the maximum FOMO, which means fear of missing out. Everybody wants to get in. Even the bearish, even the most bearish person wants to get in. And this is the point where it starts, the parabola gets over. So now it drops, it takes a very quick drop in a very short moment of time. It takes a very steep drop. Now again, it recovers a bit, and then there's complacency, then anxiety, and then it keeps dropping, and then you feel like maybe I should. You don't have any idea what to do now because you are losing your money. The money which was rising, you did not realize the wealth, and now it is going back again. Then it is like at this point you feel like I'm getting out of crypto and this is just a ponzi scheme, and I've been tricked by these people, and you just start the whole disbelief is we are again back to that level, and you start selling off even at losses. So what should we do that we in anticipation of going to the peak or catching the peak, we do not lose our money? So the thing is, we never actually nobody is able to get the peak. There's a very small percentage of people who are able to get the peak and who are able to get in at the beer market point or at the starting point. So what we can do, we can have an exit strategy. So I'll just show you. I've made a small like Excel file to explain what kind of exit strategy you can have. So we have 100% allocation of our stocks or crypto, and 10% I've allotted for swing trading. Then 20% of the money you can sell off when it gets 2x. When it gets 3x, another 20%. And 20% you can keep for 5x or 4x. This can be variable. Like it could be your own exit strategy. For example, you may keep these 20% at 1.5x, these 20% at 2x, so that at least you make profit and you do not lose your initial investment. You need to take back your initial investment so that you do not lose everything. And then this 30% you can hold for long term for a coin which you believe in, which has a great utility, which has a good team and a long term vision. So I'll just explain. I'll just show you that what are the points we need to remember. So there's this Bitcoin chart. So see, we saw this chart, and the same we can see here. So this is the point. Then you start believing. Then you think that I should go all in, and then there's euphoria, and then it starts falling. It starts falling, and you feel like, now I have to leave it. This is just a Ponzi scheme. So another thing, in the altcoin season, what happens is Bitcoin dominance gets low, and this is the point at which most of the other coins, other altcoins, the other coins except Bitcoin are moving very fast. They are having parabolic moves, and it is sometimes getting even 100x, 50x easily. So last time at the 2018 bull run, this was the point. Bitcoin dominance went down as 37%. So all the other altcoins were having maximum profit at those times. So whenever you see these kind of um, you know downward sloping ends, you can just sell off your altcoins and you can convert them back to Bitcoin. So we can see right now also we are at 50%. So if it gets to at around this point, which was the last time we had the altcoin season in 2017 bull run, we can think about selling our altcoins. Now I'll just show you one funny video about the same market psychology. So here this person drops something and it is coming out twice or thrice the amount he sent. So he decides to put more and more money. He first tries some cash. He's getting more cash in return. Now he's having a euphoria moment, and he's thinking that I should send all my things. I should go all in and send everything, so that everything will be coming back twice or thrice amount. And the door shuts. So this is a very funny video, and it's saying Bitcoin explained. So this is what happens when people who are not having experience and who get too greedy, they enter the market and they end up losing everything. And then they say that this is not my thing. This is not something I believe
As
in.
you might imagine, I get a lot of questions about crypto.
Sorry. So this is the reason why I'm saying that we should have a exit strategy planned, and we can make our own exit strategies. Like, this is mine, you can make your own, depending upon which point you enter the market. And we can also put some kind of stop losses to minimize the risks. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm grateful to you all for supporting me, and I'll try to do more and more research to bring more good videos like this. Thank you.